Hey, it is Joey from Sun Outdoors. Another episode of RV Cribs, this time with its own doorbell. We're here!
Come on in.
Ooh, look at this one.
Welcome aboard.
This is an unreal 43-foot motor coach.
43 foot.
And you guys living in this bad boy full time.
Full time.
What's that been like?
Let us show you around our motorhome. This whole slide opens up, slides out. It's from here back to that mirror section. Back
Wow, so
there.
even like the
That
refrigerator and
slides out.
everything like that?
Refrigerator, everything, all is one piece and slides out.
We have 4 televisions, one up front,
Ooh!
one outside, one in the bedroom, and one that comes up right behind.
Oh, that's awesome. I would have never known that was there.
The kitchen is wonderful. We have a lot of room. We have a convection and microwave oven. We have a dishwasher. We have a full-size residential refrigerator. And underneath, we have another refrigerating unit that we can use either as a refrigerator or a freezer.
Look at this mat room right here.
Yeah, it's very comfortable. The actual mattress is adjustable on either side, so we can each adjust it to whatever we really like to have. So this is my bathroom.
Oh, Jeff not allowed back here.
Now,
This is just her bathroom.
this is my bathroom, and this is what sold me on the layout of this particular motorhome, the walk-in closet.
Hey Jeff, where's your walk-in closet?
It's right here.
That's all you get?
That's it.
What's up with the obsession of hats over here? See, this is a look right here. I'm not at that level yet. I can't pull off your hat, Jeff. This has been so amazing. I appreciate you guys for being so welcoming. Is there anything else that we missed?
Well, there is one thing.
What's that?
The floor is heated.
This is the most amazing floor ever.
Here, I think you need this.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
It's Joey with Sun Outdoors. We are out of here.